Right now guys, I'm going to buy egg, just adding some ingredients. That is the only one missing. So I have here money, so I can able to buy 2 eggs. So yeah. Ha? Wait lang. Saluyot. Mm. Sunod ang mga animal. Uy! Ato. We have an egg. Egg. Alright. So we have eggs. Eggs for victory. So, okay. We have eggs. So, going to, after few hours cook, we're going to uh, excuse me. Alright, sorry for the cut guys, but we have another ingredients. Saluyot. I don't know what is saluyot in English, but can you search for me guys, because I don't really know. So yeah, that's all.